Happy Monday, everybody. It's raining here. Sue and her mom were out doing some shopping. It's pouring rain. I'm soaked. Yes, I'm still wearing yesterday's shirt. Everything is soaked. She's just throwing some things in the dryer. Wearing her pajamas. It's so rainy. We're not going out anywhere today. Here's a clip that didn't get used in yesterday's vlog when we went to Halifax. And in here, Sue is showing her mom the vlog.
Cast. Yeah. It's pretty good. Good. Yeah, it's not bad. It's called Behind the Curtain.
Behind the curtain?
Yeah.
And let me tell you, she was a Missouri and she married Dad's first cousin. So, Dad's brother. Yeah, and look at her. And always dressed so pretty. Isn't that sweet? I think this must be her daughter because they kind of look the same. Lives with her son. Her son owned a garage in Stephenville, very prosperous person, but he retired. And I tell you, one of the sisters or somebody bought the house and had it all done over, and she got a house in Moncton, the sister. And then anybody of the family wants to go home, they can go home. It's heated all. She worked somewhere, Conception Bay. That's not far from St. John's, I don't think.
It's a suburb.
Yeah. Oh yes, that's right. You were down that way.
Mm-hmm. See, we're all related.
That's Billy there, years ago.
Oh.
Yeah. How a person change when they get old and see.
You want to see that one?
Yeah.
Just tap it.
Oh. That might be his wife there. I don't know. Sure. Oh my God, and that's Billy there. Look, God love him.
It took all day, but the rain did let up. We thought we'd go out for dinner just over.
You've been there before.
We were there the other night. It was good food, good company, good crowd. Actually, we're the only ones there.
Yeah. Good company, though.
It was us. You should have been there. We could have used the company.
Click like and subscribe. Ding, ding!
We need to find a dog to put in the video or something like that. Because we're like short on animals.
Huh. We don't have a dog.